What's going on, guys? Welcome back to episode 3 of the Skyline R33 GTST build. In today's episode, I've got a whole heap of parts I need to put on. So I have some MCA coilovers, I've got some R33 Gtr seats, I've got some side skirts which I can show you guys, which will go in with paint. And I've had the car re-tinted as well, which I'll show you guys as well. But anyway, let's jump straight into it. I'm going to show you guys all the parts I got, and we'll install the coilovers today, and we'll get the R33 Gtr seats installed as well. Been busy the last couple of months collecting parts for the Skyline. These are R33 Gtr seats. So these bolt straight onto the GTST 4 bolts and you're done. Comes with its own rails and everything, and it just bolts in. Heaps more side bolstering than the GTST seats, and they look way cooler. I also got some, you can see over here, some side skirts. These are the GTST Type M side skirts. So that I've got some parts getting ready for the respray when I get the respray done. And these are the MCA suspension coilovers I went with. These are the Pro Comfort. This is actually a back for the rear. Fully adjustable. Really nice bit of kit. I've already put the fronts in, and you can see that the shocks were gone. Oil and shit all over the stock ones, which had lowered springs on it. So they're now drunk, and I've just taken it for a test drive, and it's a million times better with the new coilovers on it. The other thing you get when you get the MCA coilovers is they give you the sheet with all the specs on it, what damper clicks they set it up to for street, and if you want performance, you can adjust to those clicks if you want to. Recommended ride height and the spring rates as well. Yeah, for R33 GTST Pro Comfort. So these are like the street ones. So I wanted a little bit of comfort. Didn't want to go full track. And they give you a whole heap of stuff. Height adjusting guide. I think you adjust it by where my thumb is. You take out that and adjust it that way rather than the bottom like most coilovers. Got some mad little stickers and all kinds of goodies. So it's kind of cool that they give you this information pack with it. But yeah, as you can see, these are made in Australia, and they're just really, really good quality. Again, these are for the rear, so that's why they're so tall. I've got to take out the back seats to get those in, so I'll get onto that as well. And I'll show you guys once it's all done. Passenger GTST seat and GTR seat off an R33 GTR. Big difference. GTR seats in, Looks heaps better than the GTST driver's seat. Super easy install, just 4 bolts straight in. And it feels so much better as well. Straps you in a lot better, much better bolsters. I'll put you guys on time lapse and get the driver's seat done. Just like that, there it is boys, all bolted in. Super easy install. Folds back so you can still get in the back. Mint. Look how good they look. Perfect. Perfect for a street fun car, weekender car with the odd track day. Even you pull that, they slide forward, people can get in the back. Even these little plastic covers, there's one there, there's little bolts underneath them. It's all factory, it all lines up perfect to the R33 GTST with these R33 GTR seats. And I just sat in them before and I can tell you they feel amazing. So I'm going to take it for a quick spin. New coilovers are in and they feel absolutely amazing, completely transformed the feel of the car compared to the standard shocks, which were blown out anyway and like 30 years old or whatever. I'll just take this corner. Oh yeah, much better. Give you guys some point of view. Give you guys some R33 point of view. One hand driving. Oh yeah, that's way better. How good does the RB25 sound? Got my new GTR seats in, no back seats right now. Like the coilovers, the wheel and the GTRC has just made this car just handle so much better and just feels like a race car now pretty much. At least compared to what it was. With those stock sloppy seats and the sloppy wheel and the sloppy coilovers. Now it's just very direct. Oh my god, I can't get over how just getting through those roundabouts, how much better that is. Listen to the RB purr. Oh, those coilovers though, so good. No noises and it's not too bumpy, it's like perfect, and I'm so happy with them. I knew they'd be good. They were good on my Subaru and they're good on this car. MCA, check them out, mcasuspension.com. boys, here's the car. I'm gonna go through a few changes what I've done. So first of all is I actually got the windows retinted to darkest legal tint here in this state. So they're not super dark, but they definitely make the car look a hell of a lot cleaner. The tint was really shit before and like faded, so you can see like it just looks so much better now, so much cleaner. No longer has like sticker fade like I used to have little stickers here with fade behind it for the tint. And you can see I've got the rear parcel trays been out for the rear coilover install. But yeah, tint makes the car look a hell of a lot better. Coilovers are in and they feel amazing as well. But maybe my favourite part is inside. These Gtr seats, man, they look awesome. It's kind of like if you know, you know. They don't look as full on as like a Bride or like a Recaro seat, but for that OEM plus kind of look, they actually feel really good. It have heaps of like side bolstering, and you wouldn't want to be much bigger than me like to sit in them. Like they feel really, really nice against your shoulder, like the back of the shoulder blades here, and like just hug you and hold you in. Really, really nice. So that mixed with the steering wheel and the coilovers, like the connection between my body and the car and what the car's doing is so much better than before and when it was stock standard. Like even just the steering wheel made a big difference because there's a lot of slop and play on the stock steering wheel. But yeah, these seats look sick. I'll show you the coilovers, at least the best I can. So here they are, the top of them. So as you can see, MCA suspension. Can't recommend them enough. Like these ones are about $2,000 Australian dollars, but you can get them like $2 to $3,000 I think for a good pair, depending on what you want. These are the Pro Comfort line. And they're set up. They come like already set up. I literally just bolted them in, and that's how it is. And it feels pretty good. So I can stiff them up if I want to go a little bit harder for the track. They gave me some recommendation on settings for that, but they've just set it up for street use, which is what this car is right now. And here's the ride height, sort of not bad, pretty good. Like I haven't changed or adjusted them at all. It's about as low as I'd probably want to go anyway. Pretty straightforward installation, just like 2 bolts on the top, 1 on the bottom. Oh, sorry, 2 nuts on the top, 1 bolt on the bottom, and you're done. The hardest part was getting the rear seats out and the rear parcel tray. That's all for this episode, guys. So let me know what you think in the comments. Did I make the right choice by picking the GTR seats over maybe some Brides or Recaros? What do you think of the tint? Like, what do you think of the suspension? Do you think it was a good choice going that option? Should I have gone more for a track build, or should I keep it the street, OEM plus kind of build? Just keep it, nice for the street. Don't forget to let me know what you want to see next on this car. Don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in the build. Keep following it. It's going to be really good once it's done. Power mods are going to come soon. It needs a respray. It needs to look pretty. We're going to make it nice. All right, guys. So I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Peace out.